skillfully, and appropriately. You got to see this map here, and it shows you the potential for storms that we have today because we have some spring-like temperatures kicking it up. Here's Bonnie in for Bob.
That's right, Robin. With the beautiful spring-like temperatures often comes the stormy weather. First, we had gorgeous weather. For example, in Atlanta, the temperature's been in the 70s, but that's all changing because look at this. Severe storms will break out across much of the South, the Mid-South, the Gulf Coast, and in advance of it, we're going to see some heavy downpours. Not only that, I'm watching for windy weather, flooding conditions. There's a lot of things happening this morning. Here's all the rain coming out of Alabama, even the panhandle of Florida getting hit hard. Atlanta slammed this morning with thunderstorms. They're not severe just yet, but we are possibly going to see that later today. Here's the low pressure right across the Mid-South, tapping into that Gulf moisture. And then on the backside, we're getting that colder air, cold enough for snow in the northern plains. And as all this moisture advances to the east, it's bringing wet weather this morning to Chicago, also some rain up towards Iowa and into Minnesota. This is very important because this is the time of year where we often get flooding across parts of the Midwest and the northern plains. The snow melt is occurring. We're also seeing ice jams on rivers and streams as that snow melts and more rain comes in. So flood watches are posted now across many counties in Iowa specifically, as well as South Dakota. We're watching this closely because I think that as we go into the next few weeks, we'll be talking more about spring flooding, even though it's not quite spring yet. The fog is better today than it was yesterday. Still foggy across Mason City, Des Moines, into parts of South Dakota, but Chicago is not under a fog advisory. Note visibility is poor there due to rain, though, this morning. Texas, well, you're not catching a break. Stormy yesterday, foggy this morning into Galveston. We have a dense fog advisory till 9 o'clock. Also, those extreme southern parishes of Louisiana, including Calcasieu Parish, we are looking at a fog advisory that will continue as well to 9 o'clock this morning. We'll notice the storms coming into Atlanta. We can show you a live picture of Atlanta, Georgia. It is an overcast and stormy morning. This will affect air travel, no doubt. Look for lengthy delays for all flights, I think, due to the weather for today. By contrast, we'll take you to New York City where, hey, it has been spectacular, beautiful weather. Temperatures have neared 60 degrees over the past few days. You've got one more good day, Robin, and then the rain comes in. And not only that, we're looking at a wet weekend for New York City, so enjoy it today.
All right. Hey, thank you for the heads up on that.
Sure.
So the IRS is supposedly taking a new approach to people who are struggling in the recession, how you could get a break on your tax payments. I feel like I hear that every year. And then also ahead.